Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to lock a sheet in Google Sheets. So this one is pretty simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. The first step is to pick a sheet and open it, the one that you want to lock. So let's say I want to lock the second sheet, so I will open it up and then right click on it, and you should see the option to protect sheet. Click on that. Here you can enter a description or a range that you want to lock. If you want to lock entire sheet, just select sheet. Select the sheet that you want to lock, and you can accept certain cells, so you can add a range of cells that you don't want to protect. Then click on set permissions, and here you can restrict who can edit this range by clicking on this option and choosing only you. So this means that only you are able to edit this sheet, or custom. If you have multiple users in your sheet, you can add custom permissions to every single one of them. Or you can copy permissions from another range if you have it. Then press done, and as you can see, changes are saved and your sheet is locked. Only you can edit it. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.